Strengths are now available for all 70 seats of Delhi NCT Assembly election, for which counting of votes is underway in 19 centres. BJP is leading at 48 seats while Aam Aadmi Party is leading on 22 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held an extensive meeting of the Advisory Board of WAVES, the global summit that brings together the world of entertainment, creativity and culture. India has achieved a historic milestone by surpassing 100 gigawatt of installed solar power capacity, reinforcing its position as a global leader in renewable energy. The 32nd session of the Indian Art History Congress begins in Noida today. Union Minister of Culture and Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is inaugurating the 3-day event. The 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 has begun at Harbin, the capital city of northeast China, Heilongjiang province. The 88-member India contingent, which includes 58 athletes and 2019 officials, will participate in the Games.